Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I am going to show you how to draw a cute vampire. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really does help the channel a lot. Alright, so I'm going to go straight in and draw with a black marker, but you don't have to do that. You can draw with a pencil if you want to, but I'm just going to use a marker. So this is going to be a super duper cute vampire. So I'm going to go and start up here with the top of his head. So it's going to be kind of a rounded shape. Okay, and right here I'm going to give him pointy ear, and same over here, another pointy ear. Okay, so now we are going to come on down. So over here, we're going to start giving him a little arm. So just a little shape like that. And same over here. Okay, now we're going to go inward. Same over here. And we're going to start to give him little legs. A straight line here. And another little leg. Alright, so I know this looks kind of silly right now, but it'll be a vampire by the time we're done. So I'm going to start here and do kind of like a V shape. See, it's a line here, stop, go the other way. Okay, so now I'm going to go do a line like that. And a line like that. So almost like a triangle, but it's missing a bottom. All right, now I'm going to connect it to there. And same over here. So this is going to be the like collar part of his cape. So his cape is going to be showing a bit behind him. So a little bit there, and same on the other side. And a little bit behind there. Okay, so I'm also going to give him a little line here and a little line here for the bottom of his pants and his shoes. And I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. So that's going to be the end part of his shirt, and this is his little hand. Okay, so now up top here we got to do his hair. So it's going to be like a pointed peak here. So we're going to go whoop and whoop. So kind of like a wave sort of shape. But you can see how we're really pointed right there. And now I'm going to give him a great big eye. A little circle inside. And same over here. Great big eye, little circle inside. Okay, now I'm going to give him a cute smile. But he's a vampire, so he needs 2 sharp fangs. Okay, and I want to give him a little nose, so I'm just going to give him like a little bump, a little upside down U. Okay, and now the inside of his ears, I'm just going to do a little line, little curve. Same over here, little line, little curve. Okay, so now we are going to color him in. And I'm going to start by coloring in his hair black. I think this guy is already super duper cute. Okay, and I'm going to color in his eyes black, but leave a little, that little circle white. Okay, and then his outfit, I'm going to make that black as well. So you don't need too many colors for this. You need some sort of skin color, whatever color you want his skin to be. And you need a black, and you're also going to need a red, because I'm going to make his cape red. And I'm going to make his little feet, his little boots, I'm going to make them brown. So if you want to make them black, you can do that too. Doesn't matter. Almost done. Alright, so now I'm done using the black, and I'm going to color in his skin. I'm going to do it a beigey color. Now, I know this vampire isn't going to have much of a tan. I know vampires don't really like the sun, so his skin's not going to be very tan. But who knows, maybe your vampire likes to go tanning. Maybe his skin is a lot more tan. It's not as light, who knows. Okay, and his little hands. Alrighty. Now I'm going to color in his feet, his little boots. I'm going to do a brown. And now to finish it all off, I'm going to go in with a red color, and I'm going to color in his cape. Alright folks, there you have it. We are finished our cute vampire. So please let me know in the comments what you think of today's Daily Doodle, and please feel free to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Daily Doodle. Now everybody, I hope you had fun drawing today, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Daily Doodle. Alright everybody, have a good day!